Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope you're doing good. Today we're making a simple and inexpensive Valentine's Day wreath. For this wreath you're going to need one styrofoam glitter heart from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some ribbon, and the ribbon on the right came from Dollar Tree. The ribbon on the left came from Craft Outlet. You're going to need a heart-shaped wire wreath form from Dollar Tree. And if you want to screenshot the barcode, you can. You're going to need some fishing line, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, your scissors. I will add a materials list for you in the description box below. First, you're going to take your heart wreath form and you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to slide your ribbon under it, and you're going to carefully hot glue your ribbon onto the wire frame. Be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. You might want to use some of the finger guards. You will want to wait a few seconds so that your hot glue can dry, and then you'll flip it back over, and now you are ready to start wrapping your heart wreath form with your ribbon. Just remember when you're wrapping the wreath to try to keep the ribbon tight, and you'll want it to overlap some so that you do not see the frame. It's easier for me to cut the ribbon in strips and then wrap the wreath, but you can do it however you want. Just make sure you're trying to get it as tight as you can around the form. Sorry if you hear something, both of my chihuahuas are here with me. But just continue all the way around your wreath, and when you get to the points it's a little bit tricky, so sometimes you have to play with your ribbon to get the point to look like a point. So I usually add a little bit of hot glue when I'm doing the point and then hold it. Be very careful when you're using your hot glue though. And then I kind of pull it tight and line it up kind of like you're doing a package, and kind of overlap just a little, and then let the hot glue dry for a little bit before I continue wrapping the wreath. And this is how it looks when you have it finished. I made a couple of these last year and did a tutorial, so this is my 2020 version, and this year I am adding the styrofoam heart wreath. Now I added some hot glue to hold it in place, but the hot glue will not keep the heart in place. You're going to have to add some string or fishing line so that your heart stays on your wreath. You might want to use a low temp hot glue gun when you're adding your hot glue to your styrofoam glitter heart, but I just added the hot glue, just a little dab here and there kind of to hold it in place, and then I just got some string, or I'm actually using fishing line, and I just tied it in 3 places so that it would stay on and I didn't have to worry about it falling off or moving. So there's one wire right there on the top of the heart arch on the left, another one on the right, and then there's one at the bottom also. I also used fishing line to make a hanger so that I could hang the wreath on the door. So this is how it looks, guys. I really like the addition of the styrofoam glitter heart, so let me know what you think and let me know what you're working on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.